Okay, now let's get down on our mats. What I want you to do is get to here, so sitting on your heels. Sounds like Rice Krispies in here. Crack, crack, pop. Okay, let me ask this question of you guys. How many in here have bad ankles? How many bad ankles do we have? How many bad knees? Problematic knees. How many hips? Do we have anyone with struggling hips? Have you had your hand up the whole time so far? Okay. Shoulders? Do we have any shoulder issues? Wrists? I noticed a couple of you who are doing this as opposed to this because of and that's great. If you need to do whatever you need to do so that you can still do them without having the pain, that's great. Let's see, back. How many problematic backs do we have? That hurts? Yeah. Now, here's the thing that I would just throw out to you guys. You had your hand up about everyone too. The thing that I know about yoga is if you do, you guys are too young to have chronic problems the rest of your life. But unless you do something that will help heal the problem, that problem will stay. Yoga is one of those things that can help with whatever problem, those joint problems. When I was doing this class in West Virginia, it was all old ladies who came. They were all like 60 and up. And they all had arthritis, joint pain, wherever it was. And the doctor was a smart guy, and he said, okay, we can do only so much. You should be doing something that will help lubricate your joints. And so he sent them all to my yoga class. And they improved. And my experience with it as well, if you have one of those joints that is a problem, like if you said knees or ankles, for example, this particular pose, if you can do this, is really good for it. As you keep doing it, the joint will figure out how to heal itself. As you work. Now, at some point, you might go, man, that's just too much pain, then come out of it. But at some point, go back into it until you don't feel like you can be in it anymore, and then come out of it. If you go to a physical therapist, this is exactly what they do, besides the strengthening part. This is exactly what a physical therapist does too. So, as we do these, and you find yourself, your shoulders, your wrists, your whatever it is that hurts, do it to the extent that you can until you can't do it any longer, but make a mental note, oh yeah, I'm going to try it. And even if it's just for like 3 seconds that you apply that pressure into that position, your body will start responding with healing in that place. That seems to be how this works. Okay, so we're in a pose right now. I think this is called staff pose. Do you know the names of most of these?
Yeah, I know some of them, but Sanskrit names, I kind of get confused.
Yeah, I stopped trying because they all were too many syllables for me. But I think this is staff or powerful pose.
Staff is where your legs are out straight.
And you're seated?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay. Yeah, and I'm okay getting them wrong. Doesn't matter to me as long as I'm in the position.